you. Let me bring him in now. This is Joe Amendola. This is happening live, so we're gonna bring in some photographers to get him hooked up. How are you, Joe?
Yeah, cheers.
No, that's my cheat sheet. That's my cheat sheet. But we're gonna get you hooked up now, Joe. You're gonna be on with Anderson Cooper.
Somebody cute?
It's Anderson Cooper. And he always has a sense of humor, Anderson. That's just how Joe is.
Come on, Anderson. He knows I love you.
All right, I'm going to step out of here, and I'm going to step in. You're with Anderson Cooper. You'll be live as we get you hooked up here.
You mean I'm not now?
But as you're getting hooked up here, and just before you get a chance to get Anderson to talk to you, give us a sense of how your client, what Jerry Sandusky said to you.
Now let's test the sound with all this noise. You hear? No. Do you hear any?
Joe, can you hear?
I can, Anderson. How are you?
Joe, it's Anderson. Great. I'm good. To Jason's question, did Jerry Sandusky say anything to you after the verdict was read?
No, he really didn't. He looked at me, and obviously he was distraught and disappointed. He didn't say anything verbally.
Joe Amendola, I know it's been a long day for you. I appreciate you talking to us tonight. Thank you.
Anytime, Anderson, I watch you all the time.
Right. Well,
It's like a soap. You have to wait and see.
Thank you.
If you know the answers, it takes all the excitement out of it.
Is this Days of Our Lives? Which one do you equate to?
I think it's General Hospital.
General Hospital, okay.
Actually, it could be all my children.
Sandusky's attorney, Joseph Amendola, insists the charges filed by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, listing 8 victims, will not hold up.
You said a few days ago, much more is going to come out in our defense. In broad terms, what?
We expect we're going to have a number of kids. Now, how many of those so-called 8 kids, we're not sure, but we anticipate we're going to have at least several of those kids come forward and say, this never happened. This is me.
You allow your own children to be alone with your client?
Absolutely. I believe in Jerry's innocence. Quite honestly, Bob, that's why I'm involved in the case. If I thought
you believe in his innocence, not just that you can mitigate his guilt. You believe in his innocence.
I believe in his innocence.
No, no, no.
Are you sexually attracted to young boys, to underage boys?
Am I sexually attracted to
Yes.
underage boys? Sexually attracted? You know, no, I enjoy young people. I love to be around them. But no, I'm not sexually attracted to young boys.
Entirely possible that you could have helped young boy A in some way that was not objectionable, while horribly taking advantage of young boy B, C, D, and E. Isn't that possible?
Well, you might think that. I don't know. In terms of my relationship with so many young people, I would guess that there are many young people who would come forward, many more young people who would come forward and say that my methods and what I had done for them made a very positive impact on their life. And I didn't go around seeking out every young person for sexual needs that I've helped. There are many that I hardly had any contact with, who I have helped in many ways.
Joseph Amendola is the attorney for Jerry Sandusky. Mr. Amendola, good morning.
Good morning, Ann.
All right, well then let me ask you a pretty tough question that has been raised by experts in your own profession in light of your decision to waive the preliminary hearing yesterday, and also your decision to allow your client to speak to the press not once but more than once. And the question is pretty tough. It is, Mr. Amendola, are you competent to defend Jerry Sandusky against these charges?
Well, I'm competent to defend him, but the fact of the matter is, Ann, that he's facing an uphill battle, which I've compared to climbing Mount Everest from the bottom. I think we have a defense.
Are you competent to defend Jerry Sandusky against these charges?
No, 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 no.